The Wildlife Film Society at the University of Bristol are aiming to film one of the UK's best species, the European starlings. Once widespread across the UK, they are now suffering a serious decline. We're going to film and show you their incredible brilliance as they fly together in Murmurations, and also find out how to conserve them.
Starling murmurations have fascinated people for centuries, not least because what seems to be going on appears almost impossible to fathom as a human in terms of processing information and the collective movement. Indeed, in the 1930s, Edmund Selous, a famous ornithologist then, thought that their collective movements was a result of telepathy. They had some sort of collective mind that allowed these joint reactions. Actually, what's happening in these starling flocks, just like in many fish shoals, is that individuals are responding just to their nearest neighbours. So maybe 6 or 7 closest birds. And as soon as one of those nearest neighbours changes direction or alignment, then they respond, usually within a wing beat or two. So one obvious question is, why do these birds, these starlings, aggregate in such enormous numbers? By grouping together, they are protected to a greater or lesser extent from predators, at least as any given individual suffers a much lower chance of being attacked by a hawk than if it was alone or in a small group. And another possibility for why they aggregate is for warmth. Since one of the major likely causes of starling declines is changes in agricultural practice, like with lots of our native wildlife, if we're to try and redress that balance, then we need to think carefully about the habitats that are available to animals across different taxonomic groups.
So there you have it. When starlings come together, it really is a sight to behold. We hope this short film has shown you the brilliance of their murmurations, and hopefully inspired you to get out there and explore the brilliant British wildlife that is around us.